Hi guys, welcome to Hard Reset Info. Today I have Samsung Galaxy A30S and I want to show you how to fix the problem when your games or application are not visible on your Google Play Store, as in my situation. To fix this problem when you try search your Mobile Legends games or something like that and you can't install it, we must go back to the main menu of our Google Play Store and tap on our photo on the right corner. There are Settings, Family and Parental Control. In it we have page 3 right now. To visible game as Mobile Legends games or something like that, we need more than page 3. To change it, we press there and we must enter connect pin to our parental control. And we can change it from page 3 to page 16, maybe confirmed by other state and save. Or we can also turn off our parental control by switch off. And that's all. We can go back and try search Mobile Legends games which is visible right now and we can install it. Thanks for watching, bye!